Okay, divers, tensioning the main lift wires now.
Roger that, we are clear of the attachment point.
Reading 50 meters on the main deck. Copy that. Moving to the starboard side.
Tension is rising on the forward cables.
I'm showing movement on the stern. We have significant silt displacement. All right, hold it right there. Get the stabilizers in place on the double.
Copy that. Moving to supports now.
That's only 5 millimeters. Okay, make sure you clearly mark the boundary of the corrosion.
Take it up slowly, watch the starboard side. Copy that, lifting steady. Clear the drip zone below.
Hold it there. We need to check the starboard side clearance.
Looks good from here, Chief. Proceed slowly.
Base coat white paint applied to hull. Smooth even coats. Industrial spray equipment. Massive scale.
Here we see the copper-based compound being applied before the divers conduct their inspection below the waterline. The interior fit-out blends classic maritime luxury with the original shipwreck identity. And in the
All systems are green across the board.
Confirmed. The main grid is fully online.
Pumps are fully engaged now.
Look at the suction on pump 3. We are holding steady.
final detailing, brass polishing, rope coils, flags raised, pristine nautical finish. The massive hull makes contact with the water for the very first time. All units, the vessel is clear of the blocks.
Contact bearing 045, range steady.
Noted. Holding present course.
Helm is hard over to starboard, Captain.
Very good. Steady as she goes once we hit the mark.